I'm gonna go ahead, try this. I already have on my base, like my foundation, contour, highlight, all that jazz. I'm gonna try this first, and then hopefully by the time I come back to give like my review and feel of it, them little rugrats out there will then have like ceased. It's like 10 o'clock, so. I was expecting a lot more from these shimmers. Like these shimmer shades are here in here are literally just glitter. I thought I was gonna get more of like a molten look, and because I didn't, so I ended up using, I wanted to use the orange out of here. I just wanted to have the orange outer like crease color and the orange like all over. You know I'm good for like a single or a two shadow look. It wasn't any really pigment in that except for glitter, so I'm using my Naked Heat Lumbre. It's just like a soft gold, so I'm just gonna put that down, and I figure I'm gonna put one of these glitters right on top. And then this color that I'm putting in my crease here is this hot pink like magenta color. I'm really disappointed. Like if you have her other like Obsession palettes, you know, like the shimmer in the palette is off the hook. Like it's super like creamy and it gives you so much pigment. I wish she had done that with these. Like, oh fuck. But you know, we're gonna make do, and because I have so much of this coral out here, I figured like you gotta add something else in her, girl. You cannot just be walking around with this coral. They show up good like on my skin, so I'm obviously like if you're lighter than me, like they'll show up like much better, but I don't think they show up bad. I do just think you have to build them up to get the intensity that you want, but I don't think I would say this is a neon look. That's just my opinion. It's my opinion. I'm gonna take the orange one again, and I'm just gonna lay it on top of this. Since my lid is like, it's a party, but it's not the party I wanted, I'm gonna try to do something a little fun in the inner corner. All right, so this is the final look. Put you down. The mattes are fine. I will just say, going into this palette, I was like, I'm about to have an orange moment. An orange moment, an orange eye. I have two of the Huda Obsessions palettes. The shimmers in there are always like super pigmented, super like creamy, and this was not it. Like these were, it's like if you swatch them, like they feel creamy. Like they feel creamy and everything. And then it's just like, it's like this when you swatch. So it's not like, and that was me like having to like really rub my finger in there to get that. I thought it was just gonna be like more opaque, like more of a shimmer. I didn't know this was gonna be like a glitter. So I ended up having to use another shade underneath, and I used the orange glittery shade on top. to like give it some pigment, because otherwise, like when I was just putting the shimmer on top of like just the concealer that I had done as a base on my eye, it wasn't working. I used these two here, and then the marigold. The marigold in my inner corner, and then the coral, and then the magenta in like my crease. Overall, I wouldn't say this is a bad palette, but if you're expecting it to be like similar to the Obsessions palette, like I would definitely go in store and swatch it first and see like if it's up to par for you. Because for me, like the shimmers like in most palettes are like where I'm like beelining for. So not bad, not the best either. I'll put a link to this below. So that is all, you guys. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. The baby's kids are coming back, so we have to hurry. My name is Niara Alexis on Instagram, so don't forget to follow me on there. Okay, thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time.